To change the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat, follow these steps. 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile phone and log into your account if necessary. 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Access settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. 4. Select Bitmoji. Scroll down and tap on the Bitmoji option at the bottom of the screen. 5. Unlink Bitmoji. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji. This will remove your current Bitmoji from Snapchat. 6. Create a new Bitmoji. You will be prompted to create a new Bitmoji. Follow the steps to design a new Bitmoji, selecting the gender and other attributes that best suit your personality. If you find these instructions helpful, like and subscribe to the channel.